Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Enna Alfred is my name. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and enjoy technical drawing lessons. The link is below there and my contacts are there as well. This time we are looking at cycloids, and when we talk about cycloids, we are looking at circles rolling on a straight line. And to understand that well, take a look at the video here. Now, as you look at that video, you discover that the circle is rolling on the straight baseline, and there is a curve which is being generated. That red curve you're seeing is what we call a cycloid. Continue looking at that curve properly. Now let us take a look at the construction bit. Now, when you're constructing the cycloid, we need to understand how it happens. Example here, we are having the circle of radius 30 millimeters placed on the horizontal baseline and rolling or moving in that direction. Now the question is, plot the locus of point P as the circle rolls for one complete revolution on the baseline in that given direction. So the first thing we do here is to copy the circle, or we copy the figure as given, and we can make our line extra longer to fit the plotting. Now the first thing we do, having copied the drawing, we divide the circle into 12 equal divisions, and when you divide that, you need to label such that you have 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 12. And when you're labeling, make sure you label in the direction of rotation, as you can see there. Now what we do next, we first project another horizontal line through the center. We project a horizontal line through the center of the rolling circle like that, and having put that line, we can now raise our 90-degree lines through point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to obtain the center points on the center line, as you can see. For example, through point 1 you get center 1, then you do the same to 2, 3, 4 until you reach 12. So you have those centers. Now what we are going to do here in plotting, we are going to assume this circle here has moved to center C1, and that means its point P will also move to point 1. So let us put our circle. When we put the circle at C1, it will be like that. Now we shall get our compass. We open to a small arc radius here. Starting from 1, we make an arc, and when you make an arc, that tells you that point P has moved to position 1, and that is your P1. At C2, you also draw the circle of the same radius. Then to mark point 2, you take your compass radius of the small arc, you mark off twice, once, twice, and you get that point P2, as you can see. When you go to C3, you also put the circle, mark 3 times, and you get point P3. Repeat the same with the C4, C5, C6 until you reach C12, as you can see. as you mark the points to locate the points P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, P8, P9, P10, P11, and finally P12. As you can see, those arcs there showing those points. And when you include points by labeling, you have P4, P5, P6, P7, P8 up to P12. Now join that curve using a freehand, and what you generate there is what we call a cycloid, and outline it to make it complete. Now in this case here, I have not outlined the circle, but you need also to outline the rolling circle and the base line. Okay, let us now look at how to draw the normal and the tangent to that curve you've constructed, because in our question we also having construct the normal and the tangent to the curve produced. And if we are to take that, I'm going to sketch this same curve below here, as you can see. So I've put the sketch here representing the cycloid you've drawn. Now at any point P on this curve, we can put the normal and the tangent. And how do we do it? Let's have our point P here. Having obtained this point P, we are going now to use the radius of the circle, which is 30 millimeters. We put our compass at P, we make an arc. And when you make an arc, it will give you that point. At that point, drop the perpendicular to the base line. And when you do that, you'll obtain point N. Join the line from N through P to obtain the normal. Having drawn the normal, the 90-degree line to the normal at point P gives you the tangent. And you outline the normal and the tangent, you have it there. You can do the same at any other point, maybe here, maybe there, maybe at this point, and you also put the normal and the tangent. And that's how you draw the normal and the tangent to the cycloid. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Enna Alfred is my name. The link is below there, and the contacts are there as well. Thank you.